In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check whether your Android phone has an IR blaster or not. If you've ever wanted to use your phone as a remote control for a TV, air conditioner, or other home devices, the first thing you need to know is whether your phone actually includes an IR blaster. The good news is that checking is simple, and you can do it in just a couple of easy ways. Let's start with a physical inspection. Pick up your Android phone and take a close look at the top edge of the device. On many phones, the IR blaster is placed along the top frame because that position makes it easier to point the phone at other electronics, just like a regular remote. What you are looking for is a very small, dark, glossy dot or a smooth dark window. It's usually tiny, around 1 to 2 millimeters in size, so you may need good lighting to spot it clearly. Try tilting the phone slightly under a light source, because that can make the sensor window easier to see. Be careful not to confuse it with other openings on the phone. For example, a microphone pinhole is usually a tiny open hole, while an IR blaster often looks more like a covered, polished dark spot. It should also look different from a headphone jack if your phone has one. If you don't see anything obvious, or if you want a faster digital confirmation, you can use an app-based diagnostic method. Open the Google Play Store and download a diagnostic tool called IR Test. This is useful because some phones may have hardware that is not immediately easy to identify just by looking at the outside. Once the app is installed, open it. The app will immediately scan your phone's hardware and check for IR support. After the scan, it will show a simple result on your screen, either yes or number. If it says yes, your phone has an IR blaster and can potentially be used with compatible remote control apps. If it says no, then your phone does not include that feature. Using both methods together is a smart approach. A quick visual check can help you identify the hardware, and the app gives you extra confirmation if you are unsure. That way, you can be confident in the result before trying to use your phone as a remote. Thanks for watching.